Evolution of enterprise software started with ERP that was actively sold and implemented by customers in 70s, 80s, 90s, and still today. But very quickly, customers who implemented ERP realized that they need some type of customer service functionality. Having some level of automation on the ERP side wasn't enough. And a lot of customers started to invest into CRM. That's how CRM systems and CRM vendors came about. And we saw a big shift and in customers' focus into CRM projects, end of 90s, beginning of 2000s. After customers implemented CRM, they realized that the product complexity, pricing complexity, and so on was so complex that classic traditional CRM systems couldn't handle it. And a lot of customers were doing it in Excel, but very quickly CPQ vendors came about, and today we can't imagine having a large enterprise customer without ERP, CRM, and CPQ. Subscription history started with telco companies. So telco companies are the earliest companies in the world who started working with subscriptions. And later on, a lot of customers realized that it's a monetization model that can bring additional revenue stream and started investing into subscriptions. Companies who are looking to enter subscription business need to consider various aspects of subscriptions. First of all, when selecting a solution, they need to check what all subscriptions the company has already sold and what are the monetization schemas behind it. Then the company needs to check if this monetization can be implemented on a subscription billing system that the company is choosing. The next important aspect of subscriptions is to recognize the revenue. We see that today a lot of customers, they underestimate the complexity of revenue recognition for subscriptions. And later this causes a lot of problems for these customers. A lot of companies were managing subscriptions manually, terminating subscription contracts manually, extending manually, invoicing those contracts manually, recognizing revenue manually. But as the business grew and complexity of those monetization models grew because of the competition, customers very quickly realized they needed a system of record to take care of it. So that's how subscription billing solutions came about. There are a number of factors that company needs to consider when entering subscription business. First of all, company needs to have a very flexible subscription engine that can take care of any type of subscription contract change that is possible as part of the contracts that the customer has with its end customers. Second important factor is to consider is revenue recognition for all. Third important aspect is how the subscription engine is integrated and what integration capabilities it has, because most likely it will be a back office application and will need a front office application to trigger any type of changes. Like for example, customer will go to self-care, will want to see a list of contracts, subscription contracts, will want to be able to change it. Upsell, cross-sell, terminate, extend, any type of change that the customer will trigger will be triggered from front office applications. And there are many more aspects that the customer needs to pay attention to when choosing a subscription solution. So let's focus on our three product families and what AI can do for them. AI can bring a lot of automation in ERP, CRM, or CPQ related processes. Let's start with ERP. Conversational AI can talk to ERP, send specific requests, and get summarized information as an output. Also, it can do real-time monitoring of inventory and operational bottlenecks. In CRM, we can automate any type of repetitive manual tasks, custom offer preparation, analytics, chatbots with AI capability can be introduced, and any type of manual data entry through document processing can be automated with ITP solutions like Grape. In CPQ, AI can be used for building complex pricing models which use historical data, competitor data, commodity data, any type of external source data to come up with AI-based pricing algorithms to identify the best price. Also, we have developed GrapeMind, which is a solution that is connected to SAP CPQ or can be connected to any other CPQ solution, and it can extract and summarize any type of request that you do. For example, customer wants to find out how many quotes have been created in a specific region for the last 30 days by a specific sales team. This query can be written in a form of sentence, and in seconds you will get a response back with summarized information in a table format. This is just one of the examples that GrapeMind can do if connected to CPQ solution.